Okay, so experiment 3 is a virtual microscope. Microscopes are used across the field of forensics, from observing cell specimens to comparing fractured particles in glass. Microscopes help forensic scientists see minute but important details on crime scene evidence. While there are different types of microscopes, most have common structures and functions in similar ways. So for this one, we have to log into the eScience Lab student portal, locate the virtual microscope activity, and the evidence in crime scene section. Take a tour of the virtual microscope by clicking the Start button on the top right hand side of the screen and learn how to use it. So once I've become comfortable by using the virtual microscope, switch views so that I'm looking at the microscope. I'm looking at the microscope. Okay, select the letter E on the slide in the top of the right hand corner of the top of the page. Manipulate the stage until the letter E is positioned over the light source. If the microscope light is off, turn it on. Switch views so that they are looking through the ocular lens at the slide. Move the ocular lens until you find the view becomes a complete circle. Use the 4x objective lens, coarse adjustment knobs, and fine adjustment knobs until they clearly view the letter E in the field. So I have done that. I chose the letter E. It's in the center. I can clearly see it. It's kind of small with the virtual microscope, but there's the letter E under the microscope. Everything is on. It's doing what it's supposed to do. So use the 4x objective lens. Okay, manipulate the stage to move the letter E to the measurement line in the center field. Rotate the objective lenses to the next power and find a clear image of the letter E. So rotate it to the next one, which it's right there. It's in the center. Okay. Repeat the steps 10 and 11 until the E is no longer fits in the view field. Observe at what the magnification this occurs. Observe at what magnification. So right now it's on 10. Okay, right now it's on 10. Let's switch it to 40. Okay, so I can't see it anymore. It's just a blob. Well, just some lines right there. Switch views so that you're looking at the microscope. Okay, switch views, looking at the microscope. Remove the letter E on the slide and select the cheek smear slide on the right of the page. So remove the letter E and the cheek smear. Place that on the thing. Manipulate the stage so that the sample is over the light source. Okay. Alright. Switch views and bring the cells with the red circle into focus. Focus using the 4x then 10x objective lens. Use what you know about operating a microscope to do this. Okay, so switch views. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right. Cool. This one is the times 10. This one is the times 40. And this one is the times 100. Alright. On the left hand side of the screen, select the try this box. Under measurements, then select M1 box to open an activity that will instruct you on how to measure the letter E. Observe the height of the letter. Okay, so hit the try this and select the M1 box. M1. Okay. If each microscope unit equals 10 micrometers at the magnification, how tall is the letter E? Top to bottom. So rotate your micrometer, drag the cursor on the top cap in a circular motion. Okay, here we go. So 10, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Approximately 150 micrometers? Correct. So that was the exercise 3, the virtual microscope.